if you're experiencing FPS drops in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Start with options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements for games. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and affect performance. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting ensures that your CPU and GPU are running at their maximum capabilities, which can help maintain a stable FPS during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.